Structure of an abstract, an IPMRC framework. The abstract will define and answer the principal questions about your article. You can set an abstract outline with these questions. What is the background and why it is a problem? What is the purpose of research and what is it for? How did the research conduct? So, what is the result? Then, what is the conclusion of the research? This question will help you build your article, but more importantly, they are going to help you define background of the article, then the result, contribution, and implication of your own research. A preliminary question is the first one. Knowing the intended readers are important, as depending on the journal, the abstract is going to be more or less specific. If you write for science, such as in a social area, your abstract is going to be specific with an introduction. In the other side, hard science, such as in natural science area or techniques area, they tend to write more on a description of the method with a more explicit result and not going too deep in details. Then, you just need to answer all the questions with a short answers, 1 to 2 sentences, and compile everything into a tiny paragraph. And the abstract is done. Easy, isn't it? To help you build the abstracts, you can always use the IPMRC framework. The idea is to answer specific types of questions that are relevant for the structure of the abstract. An abstract is composed of different parts: the introduction, the purpose, the methodology, the results, and the conclusion. The readers are going to evaluate your paper by looking at the abstracts. It should be possible simply by reading an abstract to know the so what of your study. And it should be possible for a reader who are not familiar with the specific subject to understand it. This is not very easy, but we are here to help. Depending on the journal you send your article to, the abstract length can vary a lot. Usually, its length ranges between 100 and 200 words. However, some papers has very tiny abstracts, 40 words, or even no abstracts. So, you will have to adapt to the types of the journal you want to publish in. And here again, I advise you to look carefully at the abstracts of the journal you want to publish in, to imitate their style and understand the construction. The abstract is a key component of an article. It is a preface. It sums up everything you are going to write about after. The idea is that you will use your abstracts as a map for what you will talk about later on. You are going to use your abstracts as a construction map in order to build up your article